Last week market did everything as expected. Big bounce from trendline retest, static horizontal support level, or you can say 50% retracement of this last wave. Same like Biden, they wait for 50% retracement of recent wave. Same did Trump, they wait for 50% retracement of recent wave, then pivot. But problem is, market now expecting same like March 2020, Trump will do everything same. But now market is expecting Fed will do emergency QE. So there was market gap down, Monday market open, not crash, total opposite of market expectation and vertical U-turn. After 50% retracement to upside, market stopped flying. But still, this is your top, this is your counter trend correction. After correction, in upcoming time, price will break down this trend line. But last week there were many interview like panic, like emergency meeting. One from Jamie Dimon, he clearly said to save market crash, they need clear trade deal. And Kaskari, if you listen that interview, they are talking about bond market, not stock market. Many FOMC member gave a speech last week. More speech will come again this week. Powell speech this week again. But be careful, they are talking about bond market, not stock market. Same with Nasdaq. Previous support retest, 50% retracement of last wave, then big vertical jump. And Nasdaq came down 25%. And there was direct panic from Trump. But this is just a correction. After counter trend correction, it will go down again. If you see dollar index weekly time frame, this long term parallel channel, price collapsed from upper part of this channel. Now they are testing lower part of this channel. We can say first impulsive wave to downside, then ABCDE triangle chart pattern correction. Right now we are in next and fine impulsive wave Y. So price try making new lower low last week, but before that there is a big panic. Investor dumping stock, then it is recession, not a big problem. But investor dumping their bond, investor dumping their currency dollar, and they are buying gold. And there is a race for reserve currency, clear crisis for dollar. Because of there is stagflation crisis, highly political and dollar debasement as a reserve currency. There was big interview from Fed Kaskari last week where he explaining they are dumping dollar, they are dumping bond, but money is going somewhere else. So all policy may combine if they do something to save dollar as reserve currency. Then same like SP 500, bounce from support zone came first, news came later. And it is a big technical static support zone. Watch carefully. Because when they cut interest rate in September FOMC meeting, market did total opposite, goes up. When they pause interest rate, it start falling. But now they have problem in bond market. Because if they do emergency QE or cut, then same problem will repeat. Market will do total opposite. And for more clarity, US 10-year bond yield, big spike. Even Fed Kaskari was saying this spike in yield, that is indirect rate hike for market. As long as bond market is doing rate hike, Fed do not need to hike again. So short term they can do cut, they can do emergency QE, but until buyers come in bond market, until yields go down, what they will do in their next dot plot in June FOMC meeting. Before Fed do anything, a monetary policy response, bond market doing total opposite, cut totally priced out, rate pause fully priced in, and next step is rate hike. So like Fed Kaskari said, it started in fourth quarter 2022. Investor constantly dumping the dollar or your treasury bond, and they are constantly buying gold until it stops one day. But I still bearish on 10-year bond yield, recession coming, inflation falling, deflation coming. But upcoming time, yield will go down back below 3-6%. Even if you see 2-year bond yield, which majority of public think current Fed interest rate, then big jump last week, you can see how many rate cuts priced out. Until second inflation wave risk die, they cannot cut interest rate. But right now so much negativity about US bond market. If they secretly do something, if buyers come, then yield can go down. Euro USD weekly time frame, price again there, top to bottom 60% retracement level, new range high, big spike last week. So all the buyers, they have nice chance to exit, because if they do something to save dollar as reserve currency, then buyer for dollar, buyers for US treasury, they can return again. And once this thing starts showing on chart and news confirmation come, Euro USD highly overbought, big time frame, and it will start falling once again below 112 level. GBP/USD daily chart, price did same as expected, retest of a trend line, then full retracement, but no new range high, because that was race to reserve currency and nobody used GBP as a reserve currency. So trend line is your big dynamic support, and we are bullish dollar. So this area 31,483 big resistance, trade with bearish buyers and target retest of a trend line. So last week 10-year bond yield, big vertical jump, but USD JPY, this pair came down, and now almost there, big static support 140 area. So if price jumps from this area, counter trend correction, but ultimately it will go back to 128. But it is too early, yield will go down, but not too fast. So 140 area big support, if it spike, wait for counter trend correction, and 149 will be first resistance. But that was race for reserve currency last week. Everyone was dumping dollar, they were buying gold, they were buying CHF, they were buying JPY, but there was no interest in dollar. USD CAD weekly time frame, price again testing big static support level, this trend line big dynamic support level. So overall 138 area big support zone. So we are bullish on dollar. So once dollar start turning, this support zone area, this USD CAD pair will go up from here, and upside target it can go up to 142. This is very strange. On market crash, Bitcoin did not collapse, and when there was race to reserve currency, everyone was dumping dollar. Bitcoin went up, but not big way. So what is happening in Bitcoin? Very strange. It did not go down on market crash, neither it goes up when there was race to reserve currency. But still, this trend line, big dynamic resistance, watch carefully. If fail to break out, then new lower low will come. If they do something magical to make dollar a reserve currency, then some money can come out of Bitcoin and go back into dollar or bond. But if trendline breakout, then big static resistance 92k, but again that will be selling opportunity. Silver $35, big static resistance area. Very fast price collapsed below $29. That was shocking. When Trump would return again, market start jumping again. But everyone forget, this is not monetary policy or fiscal policy response. So why precious metal trade are going up? Even Bitcoin is not doing anything. If this is emergency QE, then Bitcoin must jump in big way. But almost no reaction from Bitcoin. So all the people who are buying emergency QE, they're expecting wrong thing. That will not happen. And counter trend correction began from this top, price retraced 61%. So for new selling entry, wait for reversal sign. But if price goes up, triple top possible near $35, again sale. But current price area, you need reversal sign before selling again. But downside support again $29. When market realize emergency QE is not happening, king dollar coming again, then price will come back to $29. US oil weekly time frame, trend line breakdown, now sideways correction below trend line, but big deflation is pricing. Your CPI, PPI, again we saw downtick in inflation indicator. So you can say second inflation wave, big risk is dead, inflation coming down, and get ready for deflation. And this is a big challenge for second inflation wave narrative. If Fed turn dovish like September 2024 FOMC meeting, only then second inflation wave can survive. Otherwise, second inflation wave is dead and we are in end game of stagflation cycle. So watch carefully US 10-year bond yield. They are using narrative that China dumping treasury to hide stagflation panic. And this week Fed speech extremely important. But if they do something secretly or news come clearly like Trump pivot last week, the investor right now dumping dollar and bond both. And majority of money is going into gold. And once this thing reverse, money will go back into dollar and bond.